Hi, I'm Mark Friedman,
And I'm Richard Rosenthal.
and we're the Friedman Rosenthal team.
And we'd like to invite you to come see our new listing at apartment 18E here at 201 East 79th. But I'm not talking just as a broker today, I'm talking also as a shareholder. I've lived in this building for close to 25 years, and what we've done in the last 8 years has been truly remarkable. The building's gone through a full transformation, including everything from the roof, the water tank, the elevators, the heating system, the cooling system. And we're just finishing a major project to replace the whole skin of the building with a new beige porcelain tiles. And the beauty of all of it, it's all paid for. Come visit us at 18E.
Hi, thanks for joining us at 201 East 79th Street, apartment 18E. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you'd like a personal tour, please contact me or Richard, and we'll be happy to show you.